Hi friends, this is Ellie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare chicken chili with mixed vegetables. So for this dish I have taken 2 kg of chicken, oil, 3 potatoes, soya sauce, 3 capsicum and 4 carrots, maida, ginger garlic paste, few green chilies, 2 eggs and 7 onions. So friends, first we will marinate the chicken. For that we will add the chicken in a vessel. We will add some salt and mix it well. After this we will add 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and mix it well again. We will keep this mixture for another 10 to 15 minutes aside. You need to beat 2 eggs and put it in the marinated chicken and mix it well. After this, you need to add 3 tablespoons of maida. Mix it well again and keep this marination aside again for another 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we are going to chop all the vegetables. So first I have cut the onions. Now I am chopping the potatoes in slices. After this, I will chop the carrot in slices. You need to chop capsicum in thick slices. Then you need to chop green chilies, and these are our chopped vegetables. Now you need to heat 2 pans. In one pan you will put little oil, then you will put onions. On the other pan you need to put a lot of oil to deep fry the vegetables. So as you can see, I have put the potatoes. Once the potatoes are deep fried, you need to add carrots. And deep fry this. Meanwhile, check on the pan where the onions are getting fried and add green chilies to it. You can stir it well. On the same time, you can also check on the other gas where our carrots are done. Now, remove the carrots and our last vegetable is left to fry, which is capsicum. So our capsicums are done. So we will take it out. So here is our veg fried. Now in the same pan where our vegetables were getting fried, I will add the marinated chicken. So guys, here you can see the marinated chickens are cooked. So now what we are going to do, now we will add this fried chicken in our onion and chili pan. So I have taken a little chicken and I have added into the pan, and I am going to add teaspoon of soya sauce and mix it well. I have added the remaining chicken now, and I am going to add again soya sauce. I am going to stir it well. So guys, you need to, whenever you add a soya sauce, you need to mix it very well. After this, I am going to add the vegetables. So first I have taken potatoes and I am going to mix it. Then I am adding the carrots and I am adding soya sauce again, and I am going to mix it very well. So please remember, since our potatoes are fried, while mixing it, ensure that you do not break it. Mix it with a very gentle hand. After this guys, you need to keep this for another 5 to 10 minutes and add later on the capsicum. After adding the capsicum, again keep it for another 10 minutes, and guys, our dish is ready. So take out this dish guys in a plate and start eating it when it's hot. It will, trust me, it will taste yummy. And guys, don't forget to try this, because I bet you this is going to be a yummy dish. And if you have tried it and you loved it, then do subscribe my channel and like my video guys. See you soon.